Have you ever pondered what the future holds for humanity? Could we eventually evolve into a Type 3 civilization? Imagine a society that has mastered the ability to harness and control energy on a galactic scale. This is the concept of a Type 3 civilization. To understand this better, let's introduce the Kardashev scale. Named after Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, this scale is a method of measuring a civilization's level of technological advancement based on its energy consumption. It categorizes civilizations into three types. Type 1 can harness planetary energy, Type 2 can control stellar energy, and Type 3, as we've mentioned, governs galactic energy. So where do we, as humans, stand on this scale? Well, it may surprise you to know that we're not even at Type 1 yet. We're still striving to fully utilize the energy resources of our own planet. Now let's delve deeper into these civilizations types and see how they compare. To fully grasp the concept of a Type 3 civilization, it's crucial to understand the distinctions between Type 1, 2, and 3 civilizations. Let's start with a Type 1 civilization. This is a society that can use and control the energy available on its own planet. Imagine harnessing the power of the wind, the sun, even the very core of the Earth itself. A Type 1 civilization can manipulate weather, prevent natural disasters, and utilize the full might of its planet's resources. But as impressive as that sounds, it's only the beginning. Next, we have a Type 2 civilization. This is a civilization that can harness the energy of its entire star. Picture building structures around the sun like a Dyson sphere, to capture and use its immense power. With this kind of energy at their disposal, a Type 2 civilization could manipulate their planet's climate at will, travel to other star systems, and even begin to manipulate the fundamental forces of the universe. But what about a Type 3 civilization? This is where things get really mind-bending. A Type 3 civilization can control energy on the scale of its entire host galaxy. It's like taking the power of billions of stars and using it to shape the cosmos. With such power, a Type 3 civilization could traverse galaxies, manipulate space-time, and even create new star systems. Comparing these civilizations, we see an exponential leap in energy consumption and technological advancement. A Type 1 civilization, while impressive, is bound by the limitations of its planet. A Type 2 civilization transcends these limits using the power of an entire star to fuel its ambitions. Finally, a Type 3 civilization is on a completely different scale, shaping the very fabric of the universe with the energy of a galaxy. It's fascinating to imagine what it would be like if we reached Type 3, isn't it? But what might that actually entail? Envision a future where humanity has evolved into a Type 3 civilization. It's a world far beyond our current comprehension, where society is intergalactic, technology is unimaginably advanced, and energy consumption is on a cosmic scale. We're harnessing the power of entire galaxies, manipulating space-time, and perhaps even controlling dark matter and energy. But this leap isn't without its challenges. The journey to becoming a Type 3 civilization would require monumental advancements in science and technology, along with profound changes in societal structures and values. There are potential risks too. Could such power lead to self-destruction? How would we manage the ethical implications of such vast technological capabilities? And yet, despite these challenges, the idea of becoming a Type 3 civilization is awe-inspiring. While this may seem like a distant dream, it's a fascinating notion that pushes the boundaries of our imagination and drives our pursuit of scientific discovery. As we continue to advance and evolve, who knows what the future holds for humanity?